Okay, I'm at Sky Island. It's Christmas, and these motherfuckers are in the fucking parking lot. They've been electrocuting me all fucking day. On fucking Christmas, I might add. All day. I'm gonna have to get that tag. Oh, that's thoughtful of her boyfriend to be there. Yeah, the people in 122. No, they're totally involved. They're part of one of those New York hit jobs. Yep. He's like waving his hand. Oh, please. They've been going all fucking day. It's a microwave weapon in the back. So anyways, I'm going to go ahead and put this on my YouTube channel. This involves IRS and child trafficking. This involves a lot of banks being pissed off at me because they keep on getting their child trafficking accounts closed. That guy right there, he's the neighbor, and then the girl over there, her name's Danielle, she's part of it. So there's a guy named Thomas Stubblefield, and his brother, who used to be a sheriff, Richard Stubblefield, and his brother used to be a sheriff in Pasco County, and his name's Thomas Stubblefield.